Yep, that's me. The little guy on the right in front of the Main Street Opera House with the big cheese himself. The year is 1962, and it's my very first trip to Disneyland. I don't know what month, but I'm wearing a coat, so spring, fall? No Christmas decorations, so probably not winter. Your guess is as good as mine, so let me know what you think in the comments. Here's a home movie from that day as well. Dad had just got a movie camera and was still figuring it out, so sorry about the finger over the lens. Who knew that would lead to a lifelong obsession with Disney parks? My first Disney park, aside from Disneyland, was Magic Kingdom in January of 1986. And the last was Hong Kong Disneyland in November of 2018. It took me 56 years, but I finally got to them all. How many Disney parks have you visited? Let me know below. I'd love to hear your experience and your memories. In the meantime, let's explore those first moments of stepping into a Disney park.
For the day visitors buying tickets, similar to Disneyland, but not exactly. You see a little bit of difference in the prices. Just a little bit. We're going to go and take the ferry boat across, and well, there it is. Train just pulling into the station.
Parking here. When the train comes to a complete stop, if you see it on the first two cars, then to your left towards the parking.
Here we are.
making our way into Epcot Center. As is the annoying people out of my way. Yep, it's a bargain at twice the price. Alright, let's go see more. Well, we've arrived at Epcot Center. We've just come in. I think we're heading over that way. Well, Epcot Center. Just came in, had a most wonderful photo experience. She doesn't like it. Alright, let's go get something to eat. I'm starving. Well, another adventure is starting. That's right, Main Street has a roof on it. Well, that's World Bazaar. Kind of panning around here. And there's the castle.
The mouse on top of the world. The new generation of mouse ears for the silvers. This funnels everyone down. Well, it's just like being at home walking down Hollywood Boulevard.
Goodness sakes. Well, we're waiting in line for tickets. Well, we've made it through the ticket lines. And these lines are much shorter. Well, we're in. So we came from, kind of like a Tokyo Disneyland, there's a hotel at the entrance. I don't think it bodes well for us that there's a line for the train. I'm frightened. Rounding on to Main Street. You are here. It's just like you're walking up. It's just like you're here. Disney security. This is just the entrance. I think he's on her phone. Over there is Rainforest Cafe. We'll look at that in just a minute. But the entrance plaza. In we go. The heck of a Rainforest Cafe. In we go. Phil, I think you're going to like this one. We got dinosaurs and elephants and I don't. I don't quite know what that is, but it's something. Here we go. Well, we just got in. This is called the Oasis, I think. Birds and people and trees and all kinds of neat stuff. And of course, wandered down there is the entrance. I think it needs more landscaping. Well, here we are.
Alrighty.
I gotta say that. All right, California. Here we go. Look at the crowds. Oh look, photo people taking my picture.
Yeah, he doesn't have a shirt tucked in.
That's impressive. It's fountain. Good fountain. Hotel's over there someplace. Apparently we're going to go on that. There's some views. We're going to go on the roller coaster, but it just went down. So we're going to head over here. We are here waiting in line to buy our tickets. Let's take the elevator up. This is what we're looking like. See if we can get some shots of the prices here. It's official. We're here. I've literally got chills. All right. Here's the entrance. The globe is right behind me. Just walked in. And this is what they call the Mediterranean Harbor area. That's actually a hotel. Well, we've temporarily left Disneyland and are heading over to Disneyland Walt Disney Studios in the hopes of riding Tower of Terror. We'll see how that works out for us. Well, we've made it in. This is the Disney Studios and we're moving our way through. Apparently you've got to walk through the store to get anywhere. Shrewd marketing, if you ask me. Apparently it's not stores, it's like Hollywood Boulevard, but indoors. It's the Brown Derby.
You think that the brown derby would imply a certain type of food?
No, to walk up. That's usually in Disneyland. But oh yeah, it looks like the one in California. It's just like the one in California. Oh well.
购买上海迪士尼乐园门票，将由办理卡债权人首次认证激活，进行 前往需要办理许卡并完成业内整齐结合。入园后，游客可以通过官方 APP 在线领取迪士尼快速通行证或购买迪士尼分享卡，数量有限，祝您度过神奇的一天。Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Shanghai Disney Resort.
Well, good morning from Hong Kong Disneyland. It's Monday, November the 19th, 2018. We've just come down that long walkway heading into the park. Here's the entrance plaza with Mickey and a big whale. And the gates are right down there. So, let's go see what's to see. This is it. Walking into Hong Kong Disneyland. Hello. Thank you. Oh, that's official. I have now been to every Disney theme park in the world. Hey, you're still here. We have a minute or so to go until we're done with this one, so thank you so much for sticking around. Please like the video, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more entertaining videos. I have hundreds of great videos on this channel, and I'm always finding new content, so I ask that you please check back.